Hey everyone, so today we are going to discuss the water treatment process. So in environmental engineering, before going to the water treatment, we need to understand what are the sources of water we get. So there are two types of source of water. One is surface water, another one is subsurface or groundwater. So the sources for surface water are reservoirs, lakes, canals, rivers, and for the subsurface water the sources are aquifers and tube wells. So these raw water is supplied to the treatment plant for further use of domestic purpose, industrial purposes. So we need to understand that there are lots of impurities present in this water, which are of sort of four types, that are suspended solids, colloids, dissolved solids and bacteria. So to remove these impurities we need to go for this sort of water treatment process. So this is a water treatment process here, showing that this is a river stream from where this is an intake point. From this intake point the water is supplied to the treatment plant. So the first unit here is showing that is stilling basin. So what is stilling basin? It is nothing but to regulate the velocity and to remove the larger suspended particles. This stilling basin regulates the velocity to further send the water to the pre-settling chamber. So this pre-settling chamber is nothing but the sedimentation tank where the water is detained for say 4 to 12 hours, and there this is a screening device. To arrest the suspended particles. Then further again a stilling basin is provided in unit 3 to regulate further velocity. The unit 4 shows a clarifloculation unit. Clarifloculation unit is nothing but a clarifloculator where the water is there. Externally some chemicals or say coagulants are mixed with this water to create large flocks. These coagulants arrest these suspended particles to create large flocks which have a higher gravity, and it settles at the bottom of this clarifloculation unit. Further these flocks gets removed as sludge, and this water further sent to this filtration unit. So here filtration unit is there to further purify the water to remove these suspended particles and some colloids. After that the disinfection process is there in unit 6 to remove some pathogenic bacteria, and after that the unit 7 is the storage for clear water, and this storage system is used for further distribution system for a peak demand hour or peak demand time. So this is the conventional water treatment process used for the surface water. In the next video lectures we will show the groundwater treatment process, which is different from this treatment process.